Hi, I'm Roland with Impress Computers, and every day we have customers coming in saying, well, my computer is running slow, but they're not sure what it's being caused by. So one of the things that you can do yourself at home is you can start off by right-clicking anywhere on the taskbar, click on your Task Manager, and then click on Performance. Now what this is going to do is it's going to tell you how much of your CPU is being used, how much of your RAM is being used. So this particular customer, they're using 4 out of 16 gigs, so that's not too much of a problem. The disk C is at 0%, which is a solid state drive that's running great. They've got disk 1 and disk 2, and disk 2 at the moment is fluctuating pretty highly. Now sometimes when there's a data transfer or something going on, you can say, okay, that may be reasonable, but typically if you stop doing anything, you want to see your disk down between 0 and 1 or 2%. If it's jumping around all over the place, going up to 100%, that's an indication that your hard drive is starting to go out. If your processor is fluctuating highly and you're not doing anything, that generally means that something's running in the background and you could potentially have a virus. If it's showing that you're out of RAM or memory, then it could be a simple thing of just adding some more memory. So that's a few things that you can do. The next step that you could also do is go to our website, impresscomputers.com. Then click on Resources, and then you're going to click on Tools. And we've got a very simple hard drive test, and you click on that to run it. Save. It's going to come up with the executable file, and you can actually do a very simple hard drive test, and it's going to take you less than 30 seconds. So when it comes up, it's going to say health status good, temperature 31 degrees, and then you can actually change, okay, which other hard drive am I looking at? So that's something that you can download from our website, run, and within 30 seconds, it'll give you an indication of what's wrong with your hard drive. So if you're not sure, watch the video, follow those steps, and if you've got any further questions, give us a call, 281-647-9977.